Alright, first let me show you, of course, let me show you what, I guess, the defects of the car are. Just got your text, by the way. It's not that great, at least the front end isn't. Is a little bit cracked, chipped on the bottom. But I got quoted like $300 to get it fixed and painted, so it's not too much, and it's not too hard on the eyes either. Other than the front, let me go to the back. That right there starting to chip, and this is when I ran into a brick wall. Well, kind of skidded it. But other than that, everything's good. No dents. You can see from the reflection. Sticker is gonna come off. Or stickers. Not really any dents. Oh yeah, and one rust spot. Right there. But it's pretty common in these cars, especially in that area. Inside. And let me go ahead and turn it on for you. Boost gauge doesn't really work, but you have that one down there. Yeah, the miles if you want to see them. Air-fuel ratio. Right now it's running pretty rich. It's a 10.5 under load. Pop the hood for you. Got that. Not obnoxiously loud.